Some plants attract attention with brilliant flowers. Others grow towering stems that dominate the landscape. Wild ginger does neither. Most people walk directly past it without ever realizing it's there. Its flowers remain hidden beneath the leaves. The blooms sit almost against the forest floor, and its most fascinating relationships occur largely out of sight. Yet for centuries, wild ginger has attracted the attention of herbalists, naturalists, botanists, and indigenous peoples throughout North America. This is a story about one of the forest's most overlooked plants. A plant whose flowers hide beneath its own leaves. A plant pollinated in unusual ways. And a plant whose name tells only part of its story. This is wild ginger. Wild ginger belongs to the genus Asarum. In eastern North America, the species people encounter is Asarum canadense, commonly known as Canadian wild ginger. Despite its name, wild ginger is not closely related to culinary ginger. The ginger found in kitchens belongs to an entirely different plant family. Wild ginger earned its common name because the roots possess an aroma somewhat similar to true ginger. Botanically, however, the two plants are distant relatives. Wild ginger is a low-growing perennial, native to rich deciduous forests throughout much of eastern North America. It thrives in shaded woodlands, moist soils, forest slopes, creek bottoms, and undisturbed woodland habitats. Its broad, heart-shaped leaves often form dense colonies across the forest floor. For much of the year, these leaves are the only part of the plant that most people ever notice. The most remarkable part of wild ginger is hidden beneath the leaves, near the soil, almost completely out of view. The flowers are small, dark red to brownish purple, and shaped like tiny cups or bells. Unlike many woodland flowers, they do not rise above the foliage. Instead, they remain tucked away against the ground. To human observers, this seems strange. Why would a flower hide itself? The answer lies in pollination. Wild ginger is not primarily interested in attracting the common butterflies or bees. Instead, it relies upon a different strategy, one that involves deception. Wild ginger's flowers produce odors that can resemble decaying organic matter, damp leaf litter, fungi, or other forest floor materials. These scents attract small insects such as flies, gnats, beetles, and other ground-dwelling invertebrates. The flower essentially disguises itself as something these insects naturally investigate. The insects enter the flower, pollen is transferred, and the plant reproduces. This strategy is sometimes called sapromiophily, a term describing flowers that attract insects by mimicking decaying material. Nature has evolved this trick many times. Wild ginger is one of North America's most subtle examples. Unlike giant corpse flowers, it performs the deception quietly beneath the leaves where few people ever notice. The unusual biology of wild ginger does not stop with pollination. Its seeds possess structures called Rhizomes. These small, nutrient-rich appendages attract ants. The ants carry the seeds back to their nest. After consuming the rhizome, they discard the seed itself. In doing so, they unintentionally plant the next generation of wild ginger. This relationship benefits both organisms. The ant receives food, the plant gains seed dispersal. Scientists call this process mimicry, and many woodland plants rely on it. Wild ginger is part of an entire hidden network of plants whose reproduction depends upon ants, moving seeds across the forest floor. For centuries, indigenous people throughout North America used wild ginger for a variety of purposes. The aromatic roots were sometimes incorporated into traditional medicinal practices. Early European settlers also adapted certain uses of the plant. Because the rhizome possesses a ginger-like aroma, they occasionally served it as a substitute for imported culinary ginger. However, modern understanding of the plant has revealed important concerns. Wild ginger contains compounds known as aristolochic acids. These chemicals have been associated with kidney damage and other serious health concerns. As a result, modern medical authorities generally advise against medicinal consumption. This serves as another reminder that traditional use does not automatically guarantee safety. Many medicinal plants contain biologically active compounds capable of both helping and harming depending upon context and dosage. Wild ginger is more than an interesting woodland flower. It is also an important component of eastern forest ecosystems. Its broad leaves help cover the forest floor. Its flowers support specialized pollination relationships. Its seeds provide resources for ants, and its colonies contribute to the biodiversity that makes healthy woodlands function. Like many native understory plants, wild ginger can serve as an indicator of relatively intact forest habitat. When these plants disappear, it often reflects larger ecological changes occurring within the environment. Wild ginger reminds us that some of nature's most fascinating stories occur out of sight. Its flowers hide beneath leaves, its pollinators remain largely unnoticed, its seeds travel with the help of ants, and its history stretches across centuries of human interaction. Most hikers might pass by without seeing any of this, but beneath the canopy, wild ginger continues participating in a complex network of ecological relationships. Quietly, patiently, and almost entirely unnoticed. Wild ginger may never achieve the fame of orchids, roses, or towering wildflowers. Its flowers are hidden, its beauty is subtle, and it's the most remarkable adaptation that occurs beneath our feet. Yet perhaps that is exactly what makes it so fascinating. A reminder that some of the most extraordinary stories in nature belong to the species most people might never see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.